Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today I am going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course in Mumbai by Freelancer Academy, and it's a 4.8 rating on Google and 4.6 rating on Trustpilot. And these are the stats like 12 years of experience, 3 months of duration, internship duration is 2 months. This why it is best course in Mumbai. These are the awards. These are the principles they are covered like UHT principles, ecosystem, business objectives, definition to design, and students certification is there, FAQs. These are the designing tools: Figma, Sketch, Photoshop, Marvel is there, XP is there, Innovation is there, Prototype is there. Almost all the tools are covered in terms of AI also, but some of the tools are missing, like Figma Make, which is the important part in the UI UX, and which is now right now is booming in the UI UX industry. Also, otherwise all the tools are covered in this, and it's good to have these tools. These are the testimonials, these are the placement partners, so placement opportunities also there, and these are the students review and rating, and nothing else. Overall, the fundamentals is missing in terms of UX UI. There is no proper detailing in terms of fundamentals, structures which they are going to teach you. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, like depth and structure is 0 for me, fundamental is 0 for me, UI design quality is 0.5 for me, hands-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. Tools and software training I would give 1 because not many tools are missing, like 1 or 2 tools are missing only. So mentorship and feedback is 0 for me, and portfolio development is 1 for me. Placement and career support is there, it's a 1 for me, and course values fees is 0.5 for me. And industry lens update is again 0.5 for me because no proper detailing about the UX UI fundamental they are going to teach you. So if a student want to enroll, like how they can approach according to these fundamentals, because they have not a proper detailing about the fundamentals, so it's a lacking. So it's a 5 out of 10, and it's a average course. Like if you want to pursue this course in terms of tools, you can pursue, but there are many better course in the market which covers all the parameters, which covers all the detailing in terms of UI UX fundamentals. You can go with that. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters in terms of structures, in terms of fundamentals, in terms of case studies. Also help in portfolio development and placement after completion of course, and also guide you about the career support in terms of internship, in terms of placement. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.